Here's the deal. Saving your first $10,000 isn't just a number. It's a life changer. Broke? Stressed? Living paycheck to paycheck? That 10K is your escape hatch to freedom, confidence, and real wealth. I'm diving deep into why it's a big deal and giving you 10 steps to hit it fast in 2025. Smash that subscribe button and let's build your future. Think 10K doesn't matter? It's your superpower. Saving 10K means you've mastered discipline. No more blowing paychecks on sneakers or late-night Uber Eats. You're saying no to instant gratification and yes to a bigger future. It's not just cash. It's proof you're done blaming your boss, your bills, or the system. Clip this. 10K puts you in the driver's seat. Comment control for my mindset tips. Emergency hit, $10,000 has your back. Ever faced a $2,000 car repair or a surprise ER bill? Without savings, you're panicking, borrowing from friends, or drowning in credit card debt. But with 10K, you're chill. Rent's paid, car's fixed, and you're not stuck in a job you hate just to survive. Clip this. 10K is your financial armor. Drop safety for my emergency fund hacks. Want wealth? 10K is your rocket fuel. Think you need to be rich to invest? Nope. With 10K, save 3 to 6 months of expenses, then grow the rest. Start a Roth IRA, tax-free retirement money, or buy ETFs on Webull. That's 100K. I started with $500 in Acorns. Now it's 5K. Clip this. 10K can make millions. Start today. Comment invest for my top apps. Paycheck to paycheck? 10K breaks the chains. Living paycheck to paycheck is a trap. Every dollar's gone before you blink. But 10K flips that. Suddenly, buying a home, traveling, or retiring early aren't rich people dreams. They're your goals. Clip this. 10K makes dreams possible. Want my budgeting secrets? Comment budget below. Hit 10K, now dream bigger. Once you hit 10K, your brain rewires. If you can save 10K, why not 20K, 50K? That discipline, skipping $7 lattes, automating savings with Ali, hustling on Fiverr, feels natural. I saved 10K in 18 months. Now I'm at 30K. Clip this. 10K is just the start. Go big. Comment next for my goal-setting guide. Spending every dime? Here's how to stop. Most people never hit 10K because they spend like it's a race. New phone, fancy dinner, another streaming service, poof, money's gone. But you're smarter. Use YNAB to track every dollar. Cancel that 15-month app you forgot about. Clip this. Small cuts, big wins. Save smarter. Comment cut for my spending hacks. Side hustles at 10K faster. Saving on a tight budget is tough, but side hustles change the game. Drive for DoorDash, freelance on Upwork, or sell Canva templates. I made $1,000 last year tutoring online, straight to savings. Add $500 a month, and you're at 10K in under 2 years. Clip this. Hustle now, win later. Comment, hustle for my top gigs. Negotiate bills, save thousands. Think your phone or internet bill is fixed. Wrong. Apps like Trim negotiate for you, or call yourself. 10 minutes saved me $300 last year. Shop around for car insurance. I cut mine by $200. These boring moves add up to 10K faster. Clip this. Negotiate to accelerate savings. Comment deals for my negotiation scripts. Tax tricks boost your 10K. Want to save faster? Use tax-advantaged accounts. Contribute to an HSA, health savings that's tax-free. Max out a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. My HSA saved me $1,500 in taxes last year. These are legal money savers the rich use. Clip this. Taxes aren't your enemy. Use them. Comment tax for my tax-saving tips. Social media killing your savings? Fight back. Instagram and TikTok make you feel broke. Everyone's flexing vacations and new cars. But half those rich influencers are in debt. Save 50% of every raise. Don't upgrade your lifestyle. I skipped a $2,000 trip to hit 10K. Worth it. Clip this. Beat the flex, build wealth. Comment social if you're done comparing. Let's get real. Saving 10K is hard. You're fighting rising costs. $5 gas, $15 burgers, and a world telling you to spend. But every dollar you save is a middle finger to stress. Use Mint to budget, Ali for high-yield savings, Acorns for investing. I was broke at 25. Now my 10K is growing while I sleep. Want my free 10K savings guide? Link in the description. Here's your 2025 roadmap to 10K. 1. Budget ruthlessly. NAB or Mint tracks every penny. 2. Automate 100-month to Ally's 4% savings account. 3. Subscriptions. Cancel that unused gym app. Hustle 500 month. DoorDash, Fiverr, or tutoring. 5. Negotiate bills. Save 200 year on internet. 6. Invest early. $10 in Acorn starts compounding. 7. Use HSAs or IRAs. Tax-free savings add up. 8. Skip lifestyle creep. Save half your raises. 9. Learn from mistakes. Overspent? Adjust fast. 10. Stay motivated. 10K is your freedom ticket. This isn't just a plan, it's your new life. Your 10K isn't about bragging, it's about options. Quit a bad job, move to a new city, start a business. Laptop on a beach, new city skyline. The hardest part is starting. But once you hit 10K, you're unstoppable. Every sacrifice, skipping takeout, working weekends, builds a future you control. If this lit a fire, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 money hacks. Grab my free 10K savings guide in the description. It's your shortcut to success. Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest barrier to saving 10K? Let's solve it together. See you in the next one.